Here we have a 71 plate BMW M340i XDRIVE. Now this vehicle comes with the 19-inch gloss black alloy wheels, all of which are in excellent condition and unmarked with the red brake calipers just behind. We also have the sapphire black metallic paintwork, the LED headlights, we have the gloss black front grills. Here's a look at that front end. Now we do also have the M Performance kit, which includes the gloss black front splitter. We do have the side skirts as well running along the bottom. You can see the second alloy wheel again in excellent condition just down there. Taking a step back, you'll also find the colour coded door handles. We have the black trim around the windows and the privacy glass as well for the rear passengers. Up top you find the roof rails along with the shark fin antennae and the rear spoiler. We do have front and rear parking sensors as well with a rear reversing camera and a visual display inside. Dual exit exhaust at the back, and there's a look at that rear end. We do have the M340i badging just there as well on the tailgate, which is split. We can open it up just like so for the glass bit. We can also open the rest of the boot by using the remote, as it is power operated. As you can see, it will open just like so. Inside of here you can see we have plenty of space as this vehicle is an estate. We do have the parcel shelf at the top. We also have storage nets on both the left and the right hand side. Coming back out then, we do also have the button just up here. Press the button and it will close again like so. And coming back round to the driver's side, you can see the vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So if we take a look now at the interior, inside of the back we have the full leather seats, we have the foldable armrests in the centre and fixed ISO points as well, the M Sport style seat belts. We also have the climate control down there in the centre for the rear passengers, along with two Type-C USB ports, storage nets behind the front seats, brush metal door handles, ambient lighting and electric windows on the doors. Taking a look at the front, you'll find the same leather seats. There's a look at both of them. Both of these front seats are heated. We also have the electric mirrors down here, electric windows with child lock for the rear, automatic lights down there with the ambient lighting, automatic wipers on that stalk, multifunctional steering wheel which is also heated. If you just take a seat inside, you'll find the digital dashboard in front of us. If we put our foot on the brake, press the start button, the vehicle will start up for us. We do have the paddle shifters either side of the steering wheel, volume buttons and phone connectivity on the right, cruise control and speedometer on the left. High beam assist as well on that stalk there, and we are free from any warning lights as well on the digital dashboard, other than for the fuel level, so nothing to worry about. We do have the main infotainment screen in the centre, plenty of features on here you would have seen on the photos. Now if any of these screens or lights are flickering, it is just the camera, they're not flickering in real life, so nothing to worry about. So we've got the sat nav, but we also have the buttons down here. Click onto media, you'll find the radio stations. We also have the other options just here on the left hand side. We then have the Bluetooth phone connectivity for making phone calls. We also have all these apps as well that are currently installed on the vehicle. Going to the left you find the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. On the main menu we can then go up to car. Onto the settings you'll find the interior ambient lighting, plenty of colours which you can go through on here. We also have the intelligent safety system, making it a very safe vehicle to drive. Further down you find the dual zone climate control for the front passengers. We have the ice cold air conditioning, heated seats as well on either side, all working as they should do. Again further down you'll also find some storage space underneath here, cup holders, USB and also a 12-volt connectivity. It can be closed like so. Automatic gearbox with the different drive modes, so if we press onto these buttons then we can quickly switch through all the different drive modes just like so. Putting the car into reverse, you'll also find the reversing camera with the parking sensors on the right. Put it back into park by pressing P. We then have the electric handbrake and auto hold button. Armrest as well in the centre. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today. If you'd like to find out more, please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT and free nationwide delivery. Thank you for watching. Video test drive of this BMW M340i XDRIVE. Now the purpose of this video test drive is to show the vehicle drives as expected to. And as you can see, I'm now to fire the steering wheel to keep it in a straight line, not being off to the left or to the right hand side, staying straight and true. Now we do have the multifunction steering wheel, which has the paddle shifters either side, so if you want to set the car into manual mode, you can simply tap on the paddles to change gear. also have the cruise control and speedometer buttons here on the left hand side, along with the volume buttons and phone connectivity on the right. Digital dashboard in front of us as well. If you do listen carefully throughout the video test drive, you'll also notice you'll be free from any unwanted knocks or bangs. We have the full leather seats throughout the vehicle, really comfortable, can easily do 2, 3, looking 400 miles in this vehicle, still get out feeling fresh. Both front seats are also heated, which is perfect for them at cold winter mornings. Now we also have many more features on the interior of the vehicle. We've got the ambient lighting, which looks amazing, especially at night time. Main infotainment screen in the centre, currently showing the sat nav, but again, plenty of features on there you've just seen on the photos. We also have the intelligent safety system, making it a very safe vehicle to drive. And we also have the automatic gearbox, which is really smooth through all the gears. Now in a moment we are about to take a right hand turn onto the industrial park, so if we put our right indicator on, we'll start to slow down, and then we'll take the right hand turn now onto the industrial park, and I will perform an emergency stop now in 3, 2 and 1. Hold on to the brakes, put the car into reverse camera appears on the screen, back into drive now with no issues whatsoever. If this video hasn't answered all your questions, then please feel free to get in contact with our sales team, where they can answer all unanswered questions, along with running through some inquiries of you. That's all from me today though. Cheers.